Hey students, today's lesson is on quadrilaterals. So let's go ahead and do a little bit of vocabulary review. You should already be able to identify and describe all of the polygons listed in your notes. And they're all examples of quadrilaterals, meaning that they have four sides. So a trapezoid is a quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel sides. In this example, these two sides opposite from each other are parallel, and these two sides are not parallel. On the other hand, if you have a quadrilateral with two sets of parallel sides, you have a parallelogram, and parallelograms fit into some special categories. If that parallelogram has right angles, it's a rectangle. If that parallelogram has congruent sides, it's a rhombus. And if that parallelogram both has right angles and congruent sides, it's a square. And then one other special kind of quadrilateral is a kite that has adjacent sides that are congruent. So these two sides are the same and these two sides are the same, and you can see it looks like a kite. All right, so you should know all of those terms. Now, here's a new key idea for you. And that is the sum of the angle measures of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So no matter what the quadrilateral looks like, whatever category it falls in, if it has four sides and connects as a polygon, the angles add to 360 degrees. So if we know that, we can solve some problems where you need to find the missing value. So here we have a quadrilateral with three angles given and one unknown. So we're going to set up an equation. 115 plus 70 plus 75 plus x equals 360. We can simplify by combining the like terms. These I'll add to 260. So 260 plus x equals 360. We'll subtract 260 from each side, and we get x equals 100. Okay, our second example is going to be constructing a quadrilateral. So take notes on the steps. We'll try this in class. So step one is to draw a line. So you'll use a straight edge and draw a straight line. Okay. Our next step is to draw a 60-degree angle and a 120-degree angle that each have one side on the line. So I'm going to move my protractor over to here where the center of the protractor is right on the edge of my line that I've drawn. And then I'm going to use a pencil to draw a mark at 60 degrees. So I'm going to count up and put my mark right here. Okay? Then I'm going to get my protractor out of the way for a minute. And you're going to use a straight edge to create this. So you'll connect the edge here with the line you just drew. Okay, so you'll use a straight edge for that. Then we also want to draw that 120-degree angle. So let me put my protractor back over here. Now it's going to be on the other end. And I'm going to find where 120 degrees is. So I'm going to go all the way around to here. I'm going to get my protractor out of the way again. You're going to use your straight edge to do this. You're going to connect the edge of your parallelogram with that mark right there. Okay, now the third step is to draw the remaining side, making sure that both pairs of opposite sides are parallel and congruent. So I'm going to draw a line straight across here. Now, to be safe, I'm going to make sure that this angle right here is 120 degrees. So I should have a 60-degree angle, a 120-degree angle, another 60-degree angle, and another 120-degree angle. So I'm going to use this as my corner of my parallelogram. Whoops. Get that out of the way. All right, and I'm going to move my protractor over to here. And I'm going to turn my protractor so that it's lined up exactly with this line that's part of my parallelogram. And I'm going to find a 120-degree angle. So I'm going to make a mark at, see, 10, 20, 30, 40, all the way over here at 120 degrees. Okay, now I'm going to get rid of my protractor. And I'm again going to use a straight edge to connect this end of my parallelogram with the point that I drew, and then I'm going to keep going all the way across until I connect and make a parallelogram. So that's the steps that you're going to follow as well. Go ahead and try a few of the on your own, and I'll see you soon.